Big mysteries we don't understand. Exploring 10 unsolved questions about our universe. Hi there. Today, we are going to talk about some big mysteries that even the smartest people haven't figured out yet. These are questions about our world and the universe that make us wonder and think. Let's explore 10 of these mysteries together. 1. How did the universe begin? A long time ago, before there were stars, planets, or even space, there was nothing. Then, suddenly, the universe began with a huge explosion called the Big Bang. This explosion created everything we know today, the stars, the planets, and even our Earth. But why did the Big Bang happen? What was there before it? Scientists are still trying to find the answers to these questions. 2. What is dark matter? When we look at the night sky, we see stars and planets. But scientists have discovered that there is more in space than we can see. They call this invisible stuff dark matter. Dark matter doesn't give off light, so we can't see it, but we know it's there because it affects how galaxies move. Imagine trying to see the wind. You can't see it, but you can see how it moves the leaves on trees. In the same way, we can't see dark matter, but we can see how it affects things in space. Scientists are still trying to figure out what dark matter is made of. 3. Are we alone in the universe? Look up at the night sky. There are so many stars, and many of them have planets around them. Could there be other living beings, like aliens, on those planets? We haven't found any evidence of aliens yet, but the universe is so big that it's possible there could be life out there somewhere. Scientists are searching for signs of life on other planets, but so far, we haven't found any. This is a big mystery that we're still trying to solve. 4. Why do we dream? Every night when we go to sleep, we have dreams. Sometimes they're fun, sometimes they're scary, and sometimes they're just plain weird. But why do we dream? Scientists have some ideas. Some think that dreaming helps our brains sort through the things we learned during the day, like cleaning up and organizing a messy room. Others think that dreams might help us solve problems or deal with our feelings. But no one knows for sure why we dream. It's still a mystery. 5. What is time? We all know that time passes. We have clocks to measure it, and we talk about the past, present, and future. But what exactly is time? Why does it move forward and not backward? Can we travel through time, like in the movies? Scientists have been studying time for a long time, but they still don't fully understand it. Time is a big mystery that we're still trying to figure out. 6. How does gravity work? Have you ever thrown a ball up? It always comes back down. That happens because of gravity. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls things toward the ground. Earth's gravity keeps our feet on the ground. Without it, we would float away. Moon's gravity, the moon has less gravity, so astronauts jump higher there. That's why they look like they are moving in slow motion. Sun's gravity keeps planets like Earth moving around the sun. Without gravity, Earth would fly away into space. Scientists know what gravity does, but they still don't understand how it really works. Maybe in the future, we will learn more about this invisible force. 7. Why is there something instead of nothing? Look around you. There are trees, people, buildings, and animals. But why is there anything at all? Why isn't there just empty space? Scientists don't know why our world exists instead of nothing. This is a really hard question, and we might never know the answer. 8. How do animals know where to migrate? Some animals travel very far at certain times of the year. Birds fly thousands of miles to find warmer places. Fish swim up rivers to lay eggs. But how do they know where to go? They don't have maps or phones. Scientists believe animals use the sun, stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field to find their way. But no one fully understands how they do it. 9. How did life begin? We know that all living things, people, animals, and plants, came from something. But how did life start? Scientists think life may have started in the ocean from tiny little cells. These cells then grew into plants, animals, and, much later, humans. But how did the first tiny cells appear? This is a mystery scientists are still trying to solve. 10. Why do we have consciousness? You know that you are you. You can think, feel, and remember things. This is called consciousness. But how does our brain do this? Why do we know we are alive? Scientists don't fully understand how the brain creates thoughts and feelings. Maybe one day, we will know more about how our minds work. Conclusion. These are just a few of the big questions that scientists are trying to answer. Even though we don't have all the answers yet, asking these questions helps us learn more about our world and the universe. Who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one to solve one of these mysteries. Keep being curious and never stop asking questions.